Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a knock sensor on a Hyundai Sonata. First, gather your tools, including a socket set, extensions, and a torque wrench. Make sure your engine is completely cool to the touch before you begin. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues during the repair. This initial preparation saves time and ensures a smooth process. The knock sensor is typically found on the engine block, often near the intake manifold. Once located, carefully disconnect its electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it free. Next, use the appropriate socket, usually a 10 mm or 12 mm, to unbolt the old sensor. Be gentle to avoid stripping the bolt or damaging surrounding components during removal. Before installing the new sensor, clean the mounting surface on the engine block to ensure a good connection. Place the new knock sensor into position and hand tighten the bolt to secure it. It's crucial to use a torque wrench to tighten the bolt to the manufacturer's exact specifications, which is often between 15 and 20 foot-pounds. This prevents over-tightening and potential damage. After the new sensor is securely installed, firmly reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal, ensuring it's tight. Start your engine and check for any warning lights or unusual noises. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you going. This completes your knock sensor replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.